Hello everyone, I'm Neil, a professional ESL teacher from New Zealand, and I'm excited to invite you to join my exclusive online discussion club. Would you like to improve your speaking skills in a fun, interactive, and supportive environment? Then this is the perfect opportunity for you. Our first session kicks off on August 3rd, 2024 at 6 a.m. according to New Zealand time, and I want you to be a part of it. Here's why you should join us. Expert guidance. Learn from me, an experienced ESL teacher dedicated to helping you succeed. Interactive sessions. Engage in dynamic discussions on various topics with students from around the world. Personalized feedback. Get tailored advice to enhance your speaking skills. Small group setting. Enjoy personalized attention with a maximum of 8 students per session. Affordable. Each session is only $10. Getting started is simple. Install Telegram. Download and install the Telegram app from Telegram's website. Contact me. Reach out to me via email at this address or on Telegram at this username. When you contact me, please include the following information: your full name, your Telegram phone number or username, your English level, intermediate or advanced, a confirmation of your payment. Make the payment. Transfer 10 American dollars per session via wise.com to my email address. 4. Join the session. At the scheduled time, click the link provided to join our Telegram group for a 16-minute discussion. Remember, this link is just for you, so please don't share it with others. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to practice and improve your English with peers from around the globe. Join our online discussion club and start speaking English with confidence. For more details and to reserve your spot, contact me today at my email address or my Telegram username. I can't wait to see you there and help you on your English learning journey. Let's make your English journey unforgettable. See you there.